I'm still out here working hard, and I have decided that I'm going to go ahead and plant my pineapple plant in this container right here. And I think it has enough roots on it. As you can see, it has a lot of good roots. So I am just going to stick this in the ground. Let me put some more dirt in there. I don't think, first time I've done pineapple, so I'll just stick it in there. I think I better raise it up a little bit more. Hold up. A little bit more. And then I'll just put some dirt around it. Hey, pineapple. Grow, grow, grow for me. And stick some dirt around it. And I'll water it in good. And I hope raccoons do not like pineapples. At least my plant anyway. This was the container that I had my celery in. But like I said, I don't think I'm going to get no celery this time around. So I am just going to repurpose and reuse this planter. I'm going to tap it down around it. And I'll do some research and watch how you guys planted yours and how to take care of it. And there is my first pineapple plant. It's in its home. So I'm going to just put it in its spot, which I think I'm going to stick it right there where it goes, in that spot right there. And I am just going to let it do what it do. So let me put it in its spot, water it, and I'll come back and let you guys take a look at it. Okay, it's in its spot. So I'm very excited about my pineapple plant. I'm going to get a label, put it in there, and my little protector of my little gnome will keep it company and protect it from all the animals. Fingers crossed. Alright guys, if you have any suggestions for me on what I should do to keep my pineapple plant going, hit your girl down in the description box so I can get my first pineapple growing properly. Alright guys, I got lots more to do, so I better get to going. Woohoo! Miss Renee is rolling, rolling, rolling. My next thing on my list is to drill some holes in my black bucket and get ready to do a redesign over in the black and white garden. Alright guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you are having a tremendous day. And I will see you guys in the next video. Wish me luck, you guys. I'm so excited about my pineapple plant. Alright, take care.